Yuck. Okay. Spiders are just, oh no. Oh my god, it's following me. Oh, there's so much rain. That's me hanging on by a thread. Excuse me. Hi, cuties. How can anything else go more wrong? Behind the scenes of filming by yourself. God, stop filming me, stop. Pulled up to camp, and as I pulled up there was the cutest little bunny just sitting here. It just kind of chilled there, like it wasn't really scared. It was pretty confident and happy to be there. But as I was like positioning my car to get the rooftop tent level, I looked out the window and like a spider probably the size of my head, okay I'll say hand, that's a bit over dramatic, a spider of the size of my hand like ran across the grass. I was like, I literally just have thongs on and I'm by myself. After seeing that spider, I'm immediately putting my shoes on. When you put your shoes on, do you go sock, sock, shoe, shoe, or sock, shoe, sock, shoe? I guess I do sock, sock, shoe, shoe. It's so nice here. Like, I'm so glad I booked this spot. And I've looked on the map and there's like caves, another hidden cave. There's a big creek that runs through it. Very nice. I'm very happy with it. It's so pretty. This time I'm Red Dead Harry. Oh my god. I wanted to make steak sandwiches for dinner and make my own bread, but it's too late, so I'm not going to have time for the bread to develop. So I'm going to make the bread tonight and then make the steak sandwich for tomorrow night. So you start off with some flour. Now it's all just a bit of like a guesstimate till it feels right. Some baker's yeast. And then some water. And then you just mix it all together. Wow, maybe I should be a chef or like a baker. That's what bakers do, right? They make bread. I swear I'm not this dumb. Siri, stop video.
No.
If only that worked. Now I have to touch my camera with these gross hands. Okay, I've got this. Oh, that's a bit too much. That's a new trick. I don't think I actually need sugar. I think it's just water, flour and yeast, to be honest with you. It's giving Outdoor Boys. I love Outdoor Boys. It's so good. This is actually where I got the recipe from, to be honest. Right? Okay. I'm just gonna let that sit overnight and then hopefully tomorrow it's rised and expanded and we can have a steak sandwich. I swear to God, if a spider crawls in here while I'm making this, I'm burning my whole car. The more that the sun goes down, the sky keeps getting more clearer. It's so beautiful. If you ever come camping with me, at least I know you'll never have problems finding me because I'd bring my Christmas tree with me everywhere. I've honestly never been more comfortable in a rooftop tent. And it's kind of cold tonight, like it's the perfect sleeping temperature ever. Last time I was camping by myself, I was literally in a swag on the ground and I would have been terrified tonight if I was on the swag on the ground after I've seen the amount of spiders I have today. Well, good morning. Oh, I had such a good sleep compared to my first time solo camping. That sleep was so much better. I didn't cry myself to sleep. It wasn't 3 degrees. I was actually kind of hot. Also, I came downstairs, I climbed out of my rooftop tent and look at my dough. That's crazy. I'm so excited to have that later. So I'm camping here. I think my plan for today is to go to the hidden cave first because that's a bit of a mission apparently. So yes, I'm very excited. There's heaps of cows on this property because it is like a cattle property. I've just come across a few of them. They were all laying down and now they've all just like stood up and now they're all just staring at me. Hey little baby. But please don't do anything to me. I'm trusting you. It's a two-way street, buddy. Oh my God, it's following me. Ah.
Good.
Oh my God, I'm kind of scared. No. No. Sit. Stay. Hi, cutie. Do you mind moving, please? Thank you. Appreciate it. I just didn't get past over there. Is that okay?
Good.
Bruh.
Good.
No. Okay, good job. I'm not even scared of cows. I don't know why I'm tripping out over these things. I don't even know if you can see that, to be honest, but there's a big spider here. There's a little one there, and then up further there's more spider webs. Oh my god, it's moving. I want to throw up. How long do you reckon it would take for a spider to eat me if I died on the ground? Like, say I'm walking by myself, right? Snake bites me, Naz is gone. She's out, see you later. And then the spiders come along and then they start like making webs on me and like feasting on me to the point where there's like 1,000 spiders on me. Do you reckon they'll get like really big? Oh my god, it moved. Oh my god, I just had the courage to do it and then it fucking moved. Spiders are just, oh nah. I'd rather have snakes around my feet at the moment. Actually, that's dumb because I don't have to come back and get my camera. I've got a game plan. Ready? Yuck. Okay, backpack. Oh, for fuck's sake, it landed right under it. Okay, I made it through. Oh, it's a bit of grass. I can see 3 more. Oh. No, I'm done. I'm not doing it. Yuck. If I had someone else with me, whatever, fine, they can do with it. I'll just walk behind them so they can catch the spider webs in their face and spiders in their face. I'm going to the beach. Oh, yuck. I really wanted to see that cave. I'm honestly disappointed in myself, but let's go try the waterfall. Oh my gosh, I've never been happy to see my car in an open area. Oh my god, my dough. It's getting so big. Oh my gosh, it looks perfect. Yum, this is the best yogurt. Caramelized fig. Yum. Excuse me. Hi, cuties. Oh, I swear to God, if these things ram my car, do I beep? I feel bad. Oh my God, look at it behind my car. Good work, guys. Great job. So I think I'm actually gonna go home now. I've just pulled up to camp and I realised I've lost my GoPro. So all my GoPro stuff is now gone. I'm gonna have to go for a drive up and down the beach to see if I can find it. I still can't find it. I drove back like a lot of the way. Oh, someone's picked it up and now they've got the footage. Lucky. If you find it, give it back, please. I'm just gonna go back to camp. Is actually laughable at this point. If I don't laugh, I'll actually cry, bro. I put the drone out, a car came and hit it, and now my drone's broken. So I don't have a GoPro, and I don't have a drone. How can everything be this bad? Okay, that might be warm enough, and then we pop her on there and we put the lid on it, and then hopefully it expands. While that's going, I want to get my steak ready. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then I've got this barbecue steak seasoning that I've found in my car. Hopefully it's good, honestly. I'm a bit scared, but alright, and that can just cook for a little bit while I wait for my bread to cook. Oh, that looks so good. Are you kidding? That's it. That's so good. dessert. I've never actually made this before, but I saw it on TikTok and I'm so excited to try it. It's like little Nutella donut balls. It's not really donut, it's just like a little ball, but it has Nutella in it. So you just have a little bit of dough, grab your Nutella. I think tonight I'm just gonna go to bed and watch and eat this in my rooftop tent. Perfect. So you get a little bit of Nutella, a little bit, I mean a whole teaspoon. I think that's way too much for this piece of dough, but it is what it is, it's fine. And then it's like that, and then you cook that. Here we go, they look pretty foul. And then cover them, I guess. I'm gonna try flip them again. They look pretty cute. Oh, my gas bottle just ran out. And then I put the cinnamon sugar here. At this point, I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over it. This is a bloody sharp spatula, honestly. That's a huge dessert bowl. And then Nutella. Honestly, I'm just gonna take this up into the rooftop tent and eat it with the jar. Let's try these. Oh my god. That actually tastes really good. This is like the best dessert I've ever had while camping. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna finish this and go to sleep because I've had enough of today. I just want today to end. And please let tomorrow be better. Alright, good night. See you tomorrow morning. Bye. So much rain. As I came to the front of my car to try and get a photo of it, my number plate's dangling on by a thread. That's me hanging on by a thread. Oh my god, imagine if I lost that now too. I swear to god. How can anything else go more wrong? Like, I'm so done. Maybe my luck's getting better because it's still here. Like, if I lost this, that's enough. So I don't have the right tools to be able to get this screw out of the number plate. And I don't have any zip ties either. Smart, right? So what I have resorted to is taking the shoelace out of my TNs and then tying my number plate on because I can't get it off and I'm not risking losing it. Honestly, with everything that's gone bad this weekend, like terribly bad, like drone, GoPro, no towel, no bedding, new battery, chip in my windscreen, what else has gone bad? No towels, did I say that? My gas bottle ran out, whatever, all those bad things. My Razorback seat covers are the only things that haven't gone wrong because it's been raining today, like on and off, and I just went for a swim too. Everything's been soaked in my car, all my gear's wet and stuff, so like they've just been soaking all that stuff up too. So they're very, very, very waterproof, which is insane. And they're also very easy to clean because I just chuck them in the washing machine and then they're good to go. So, no complaints. I thought I would just check out the Carlo Sandblow in Rainbow. I haven't been there for years and I don't know, it's a cool little spot, so I just thought I want to go check it out and see if it still looks the same, if it looks any different, because I never really come up here, so it's cool to see places that you haven't seen in ages. But yeah, so let's go check it out. One thing that's come super handy this trip is this quad lock extendable selfie stick thing, because you can click your phone onto it or you can click your GoPro onto it, but seeing that I've lost the GoPro, I've just been putting my phone on it. But it's also a tripod, which is great, but the best use I've also found for it is that it swats away spiders. When I do my rainforest walks, I just hold the end of it and then I walk like this. So thanks Quadlock for that. It's multiple uses, it's great, I'm obsessed. Just when you thought it can't get worse, it can. I just got a call saying that my dog is having seizures, so that's fun. So now I'm going home to deal with that. But yeah, this was literally the trip from hell. Like, I've never hated camping more than I have this weekend. Everything has gone wrong. Like, I pushed myself to do things that I didn't really want to do, and I got it on video, like, oh, all fun and games, you get to look back on it and stuff like that. No, because you lose all the footage, so you can't even like look back at it, whatever. Like, it's not the end of the world, but it's just frustrating because then there's money lost and like, but it is what it is. We're pushing through it, and then I pushed through it, and then I lost the GoPro, lost the drone. So that's fine. I got the footage of that, so that's okay. But now I just can't. Now I have to get that fixed, which is more money, and it's just frustrating. Like, it really just puts you down a lot. In conclusion, this whole trip was probably 10 times worse than my first solo camping trip. I think it's going to be a little bit until I recover from this one. I'm on the way home currently to go look after my dog, so this trip has come to a bit of an abrupt ending, so I do apologise for that. But there are more important things in my life than doing this at the moment. So I'm just going home to look after him. Thank you for watching this absolute hell of a trip that I've had, and hopefully the next one's better. Fingers crossed. I'm going to stop crossing my fingers because everything just keeps going bad anyway. But yeah, so thanks. Bye!